Hello guys, welcome to Dolphin Corporation, or what we call Gazman Advanced Technologies. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can change your hard drive, how you can upgrade from SATA drive to SSD. Right now, I have my laptop here, and I'm going to change from the hard disk that is inside the SATA drive hard disk to SSD hard drive. So straight away, I'm going to open this laptop, and then I'll be changing, though the hard disk is right here, but there's other connection which I will show you also. Now let me first open the hard drive, and then I'll show you other things. Now you get your screw, and then you open, get one screw, okay, this one here, you unscrew it, and then you unscrew. And another thing, I'll be showing you another alternative on how you can run your computer, or you can use your computer without installing Windows operating system or in the hard disk, but use a flash drive, or you can use a memory card drive. So meanwhile, before I show you how you can use a SanDisk drive or flash drive as one of the hard drive that has operating system, let me show you how you can change. Now after opening this part side of a hard disk, this is a SATA hard disk drive, and then I'm going to change it to an SSD hard drive. This is a solid state drive to SATA drive. Okay, so first of all, you can see they are matching. So what you gotta do is you have to make sure you fix it properly. It goes in like this. When you look inside, you will see that this side is this part is this side, and this one is this side, just like this one how it has been. So you bring your SSD, and then you try to fix it inside. But before that, in order for you, if you want any time to remove it, you have to get this closing, this one here. So we got to get this closing as well. You open it, you unscrew it, and then you remove it. Okay, you bring it here. Yeah, you bring it here. Here there is a lock. So and here there is a screw where it goes. So you get this lock, and then you press it here like this, and then you get a screw, which is this one, and then you lock it. So I'll be locking it like this. Okay, so good to go. Now I'll put it inside. Okay. Then after, I will lock again. You lock again. Okay, so this is how you can change your hard drive. Yeah, thank you for watching. Now the next step is we are going to see how we can use a flash drive as our hard disk. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dolphin Solution Center or Dolphin Corporation. That is our YouTube channel, and then we shall be continuing showing you how you can in the next video, how you can use your computer with installed operating system on the flash. Thank you very much.